Today we have a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is The Moment of Instant Regret.
Yo, what's her name? Heather? Heather, what's going on? Y'all know what she takes normally? Anything else?
Shoot somebody else trying to help me. She's knocked him out. I'm getting the trouble.
Sugar one, can I get BCFR reference to 35 usage? Hey, are you alright? Can you get off the road so we can talk off the road? Did you take something today other than we gotta get off the road because I don't want you to get hit. Can you get up? Hey. Hey. Hey, sit up. Come on. I need you to sit up. Okay. Hey, we're gonna get off the road, okay? Come on. Where does she stay? In here?
No.
Okay. Hey!
I know her from over there.
Her name is Heather?
Yeah, I know her by
Heather! Calm down! Can you sit down? Can you sit down? I don't want you to get hurt. Sit down. Sit down. I don't want you to get hurt. Can you talk to me? Can you talk to me? Listen, we got the ambulance coming to check on you, okay? Okay. You're okay. You're okay. We got the ambulance coming, okay? Can you speak to me? Can you tell me your name? How about we just sit down? I don't want you to get hurt. Sit down. Just stay on the floor. You're gonna get hurt if you keep getting up. Coming off of something and something else. They don't know her last name, only that her first name's Heather. I saw her freaking out in the road doing this. She keeps going like in and out. Hey, Heather. Hey. We're not doing that. Nope. She did that earlier when I picked her up. She was blue in the face, so that's when I called for BCFR. But she doesn't understand because I keep trying to tell her to stay on the floor, but she doesn't understand. I want Whiteside to identify her because I guarantee you he knows her. Hey, you're gonna get hurt. You're gonna slam your hand on the floor. Stay on the floor. They just saw her. They just saw her walking down the street freaking out. Hey! Hey! I already tried to... She just doesn't understand. She needs to stay still. This is what we went with Joseph Malloy yesterday. Pretty sure it's...
I've never seen her like this.
She was moving around too much. I don't know if they're going to be able to do anything because she's moving around too much. This is exactly what Joseph Malloy did on... Hey, so she's freaking out, doesn't really understand what's going on. She was turning blue earlier. They tried to Narcan her, but they were unable to. She keeps kind of going in and out. She went down earlier and turned blue and in the face. We only know first name is Heather. That's all we know. I'm waiting for Whiteside to come so we can ID her. Yeah. I didn't know if she was going to go unconscious or not all the way, so.
So next time she goes like that,
Yeah.
super legs.
Can you stand up?
Yo, you know what this remind me of? You remember a couple years ago when people was tripping out on bath salts and eating people and stuff? When was that, like 10 years ago? Probably longer than that now. 10, 15 years ago, whatever. When they had that whole bath salts thing going on and people was eating people. Yo, that was a crazy time, boy. I don't know what this is, but this just reminds me of that bath salts, like that whole bath salts epidemic. Boy, people was tripping, biting people, eating people. That shit was so crazy, man. We've had some crazy, crazy drugs, man, that have came out and just tore people up. But actually, this is actually very sad, though, you know, to watch someone, you know, get to this point and be hooked on these types of substances and stuff like that or whatever. And just, you know, it's one thing to be homeless, you know, anybody could be homeless, you know what I mean? That's why I never look at a homeless person and just be like, you know, whatever, because it's not every homeless person is like, and we going on a whole nother, stay with me now, we going on a whole nother rant, all right? But not every homeless person is homeless because they're a junkie. You know, that I think that's a misconception. You know, some people, you know, they may not have family, or they, you know, or people that could take them in and stuff like that or whatever, and maybe their house caught on fire and stuff like that. Like, it was just unforced, you know, unforeseen circumstances and stuff like that, you know, that put them out on the street, or they lost their job, or they can't maintain where they were at or whatever and stuff. And, you know, that it's a lot of, it's situations like that too, you know, that why people may end up on the street or whatever. But anyway, that's why I don't look at them and just be like, you know, yada yada whatever. But you know, the guys that's hooked on these drugs and stuff, man, they just gotta, they really hit rock bottom, like, because it's a difference between being homeless because of something like that, and then being out there on the streets, you know, doing these type of things, you know what I mean? And I don't know if she's homeless or not, whatever, but, you know, it's just, you out there, the streets done got you. You, whether you homeless or not, the streets done took you. They got you. Boom. The streets got a hold of you. Like, yeah, she fighting real demons right now. Real demons. Man, life is rock bottom, and it's so difficult for somebody to come out of that type of situation, man. Damn. Life's about ups and downs, man. You never know when your time is gonna be to be down. You know, everybody gonna have that time, you know, but it's just, man, yo, you gotta come up out of there, boy. You gotta come up out of that hole, man, the best way you could. She going through it right now, fighting real demons.
Hi. Hello.
You're not in trouble. We're just gonna get you help.
We're trying to get you help.
We're just gonna get you help.
We're trying to get you help.
Stop before we have to put you on the ground.
Okay, we're going on the ground. Stop.
We're going to help you.
We're trying to help you.
I
Stop.
don't want to throw her on the ground.
I'm sorry, she's on her legs.
Alright, gonna go down. There we go. Stop. Hey. Stop, bro. You're hitting your head on the floor.
Stop.
Alright. Can you get up for us? Come on. Who's this? Heather. Thanks.
Water already come?
Yep. And they said they can't do anything. Basically same thing as just more arrow than that. Alright. Oh.
Heather,
To Mike.
Heather, stop kicking, okay? Chill out. We're gonna take you out.
Come on, girl.
Wait, so the medics came and said they can't do nothing? Well, what the hell what are the police gonna do? I mean, yeah, they can sit you in a room and stuff like that, but she needs something to come down from what she going through, man. Damn, no medical help? That's crazy.
Think she has anything.
Heather, can you see me? Heather.
No, they said they were like scared of her. They were scared of her. They kept backing up.
Heather. Hey, it's Whiteside. Can you hear me? Are you okay?
Are you ready?
We're gonna get you in the car.
Here, have a seat, Heather.
There you go. There you go. Nope. Come on. Come on. Get in. No, get in. Here, watch out, watch out.
Heather, chill out, okay?
You gotta take her. All right. Give her a second. You can put your leg down. You're okay.
Real demons, boy.
The suspect was charged with disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and battery on an officer. If you enjoyed this video,
Real demons, man. Damn. At first, I thought she wasn't gonna get no medical help, but okay. All right. So they just had to bring her to the hospital. EMTs, they couldn't do nothing or whatever. But damn, man, that shit is sad. It's more sad than anything. I'm not gonna lie. Like that, man. Even if we looking at this mugshot, right? This mugshot is probably, that's probably not that incident, probably an incident that happened before or whatever. They just looked up her name or something. But it's just like, okay, this is what she looks like, semi-normal, I guess. Not on an episode, but what we just seen was something out of a scary movie, man. Really, like make you want to jump out your seat, man. The way she was in the back seat just getting like, yo, that shit there had the EMTs shook. They didn't even want to get near her. Like that was straight out of a scary movie, man. I'm telling you, it reminded me of the bath salt stuff, man. When people was turning into zombies and just eating people. Like, yeah, that was different right there. Oh boy. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video, helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.